Hello there everyone, my name is Nathan Birch. In this video I'm going to do the Lesson 5 hands-on exercise 2, working with links. So let's just go through these steps. So I'm going to create a new HTML file. I'm going to go into Lesson 5 and make a new folder called Class2, and I'll make a new file called, not a new folder, a new file called index.html. And I'm going to go ahead and make our HTML template. I'll just say class2. Okay, open with live server. Okay, open with live server, class2 up there, nice. Create an A tag to create a simple link to navigate to YouTube. Test it in your browser to ensure that it works. Okay, A tag, youtube.com. Go watch some movies. Okay, come back over here and click on our link. Didn't work. Okay, notice this URL in the bar. Okay, it's trying to find youtube.com within my website. So let's just go to youtube.com and then I can just copy this. Okay, so I'm gonna paste that link in here. There we go. And then let's come back over here and click it again. Let's refresh the page first. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Create a new link with an image from Google Images. This link should navigate to a website that has something to do with the image that you selected. So I'll say mountain range. Click on images. And oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'll do this one. I'm going to copy the image address. And first, I'm going to put a break right there, and then I'll go ahead and put an A tag, and I want to put an image inside of that. So I'll say image, that's the source. And then I'll add a class called my image. Okay, I'm gonna add a CSS file because I want to add some styles in here. So I'll say style.css, and I'll say my image will be width. We'll say 500 pixels, and then height auto. Okay, and we'll also add a border. Border 1 pixel, solid black. And let's add a border radius just for kicks. Say 5 pixels. Okay, and then we'll come over here. We just need to reference that CSS file. So I'll say link, CSS, style.css. And let's see what we got. Nice, that looks great. If I want it to be a link, I can click on it, but I haven't put anything in the A tag. So let's just say Canadian Rockies. I don't know if those mountains are the Canadian Rockies, but that's okay. We'll go to this link. That's William, if anyone's curious. I'm going to put a target blank in here to open it in a new tab. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, sweet. Next up, let's see. Test in the browser. Good. Create a new link that will open up the default email program used by a user. This link should include. All right, so I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to say HTML mail to. I'll come over here, and one of these should have like everything. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in here. Not in there, or there. Let's come right here. I'm just going to paste that, and so I'll say mail to. I'm going to go to nathantbirch@gmail.com. I don't need to CC anyone. Okay, or BCC anyone, I'll take those out. I do want a subject. Okay, so I'll say subject. Let's see here. I'll say good morning. And then the body, say, hi there, I just wanted to say good morning. I hope that all is well. Okay, let's test out our link here. Okay, to Nathan T. Birch. Good morning as the subject. Hi there, just want to say good morning. I hope that all is well. Sweet, so that looks good. Let's see. Should include recipient email, subject, and body. Sweet. Create a div that is 300 pixels tall and 300 pixels wide with a bright background. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to come over into here. I'm going to add a break right here just for my own sanity. And I'll add a div. I'll give it a class called my div. And let's see, do I have to put anything into it? I can close that. Put an A tag around the div so the entire div becomes a link to Google. Okay, so let's go put some content in there. Say, hi there. Oh, we can do a paragraph, actually. This is an awesome paragraph. Okay, and then let's go ahead and make a class for my div. So width is 300 pixels, height is 300 pixels, with a bright background. Okay, so let's try a background image, linear gradient. We'll say to right, blue, red. Okay, we'll save that, and let's make these colors just a little bit gentler. Okay, and then let's change that one too. Okay, save that, and let's see how our gradient looks. There we go. Sweet. I'm going to put some padding in that div too, just to get that text off that wall. So I'll say padding is 20 pixels. Okay, let's say padding on top is 5 pixels, and padding on the sides is 15 pixels. There, that looks a little better. Okay. Now put an A tag around it so the entire thing becomes a link to google.com. Okay, let's try this. So I'll say A tag, move that down here, and then the href. I'm going to copy the link from here again, so I'll go to google.com, and I'll copy the link because it'll have the full link there with the W's and the HTTPS. Okay, so that worked. And let's see if I just click down here. That worked. Great. Okay, let me close. Whoops, I want that open. I'll close this one. And create an A tag that spans the entire body of the page. This link can go anywhere you want it to. Test to make sure it works. So, well, let's see if this works. I don't know if this will actually work, putting it around the body. Well, let's try it. So let's say we want to go to Best Buy. Well, let's just go to Best Buy website here. bestbuy.com. I'm going to copy the link and close that. And then I'll paste it. Okay, and let's also put a target blank in here so we don't have to keep on hitting our back arrow. Okay, so the body's inside this. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's not working. Okay, yeah, I went to Google and I clicked near that one. All right, so instead, let's go ahead and put it around everything inside the body. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, and now I should be able to, yeah, so if I wanted to be able to click on anywhere in the page, I'm gonna have to make a div, or maybe give this a class even. Well, I'll make a new div inside of it actually. So I'll say div, class, full page, and then I'm gonna move that down to here, save that, and then let's go ahead and make this thing be the full page. So I'll say width is 100, view width, and height is 100 v height. Let's see if that works. Okay, that still went to Google. Interesting. Okay, so let's go to Google. I'll say div full width and height of page. 100% of the browser height. That's what I was trying to do with the VH and VW. That looks very similar. Interesting. Yeah, we totally did the VH thing. Let's try that again. Oops. I guess we could inspect it. I mean, maybe it was just my link that isn't working right. So that says full page. Now it looks like the full page. Okay, still looks like the full page. And that A tag isn't. Oh, the A tag's closed right there. Oh, why is it closed right there? That's weird. Weird. Well, let's try to put this full page class on the A tag. See if that works. Oops. Okay. Huh. Yeah, look at that, closing the link there. Weird. I wonder if it's because it doesn't want nested links. I wonder if I took out these other A tags, if it would work. No, it still says it's. Okay, and now it's all in there. So it didn't like having the nested A tags. Okay, let's go ahead and put that div back now. And let's give it the class full page. And let's move that down there. Oops. Okay. Okay, we'll save that. And let's see if we can get this thing to work. There we go. Okay. So I should be able to click anywhere in the page now. Yeah. So two things that I had to change. Well, I guess just one. I started with the div. That does have to be a div with that full page class, not the A tag. But then I also couldn't have any nested tags either. So, yeah, good to know. So I'm actually going to cut that for a second, and then I'm going to hit Control-Z a bunch to get all my links back, just so that I can share this code with you guys. Okay. And I'll put this right here, like that. And then we'll give this a class of, was it called full page? It was called full page, yeah. Okay. And I'll just comment this out for the zip file. Okay. Well, you guys, I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.